Here's a 2008 Audi R8. This R8 looks and feels like the winner it is. With its wide and commanding presence, it steals the spotlight wherever it goes. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Manual transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, power rear spoiler, AM/FM SIRIUS Satellite Radio, 8-way driver seat control, front heated sports seats, manual tilting steering column, 8-way front passenger seat control, and V8 engine. Consumer Guide proclaims the R8 offers head-turning style, pulse-quickening performance, and superb build quality, yet is quiet and comfortable enough for daily commuting. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.